No one said a word to Job because they saw how great his suffering was. Job 2:13.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Sitting with the Suffering was written by Adam R. Holes and read by Stephen Tabor.
Job chapter 2, verses 7 to 13. Satan went out from the presence of the Lord and afflicted Job with painful sores, from the soles of his feet to the crown of his head. Then Job took a piece of broken pottery and scraped himself with it as he sat among the ashes. His wife said to him, "Are you still maintaining your integrity? Curse God and die." He replied, "You are talking like a foolish woman. Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" In all this, Job did not sin in what he said. When Job's 3 friends, Eliphaz the Temanite, Bildad the Shuhite, and Zophar the Naamathite, heard about all the troubles that had come upon him, they set out from their homes and met together by agreement to go and sympathize with him and comfort him. When they saw him from a distance, they could hardly recognize him. They began to weep aloud, and they tore their robes and sprinkled dust on their heads. Then they sat on the ground with him for 7 days and 7 nights. No one said a word to him, because they saw how great his suffering was. Sitting with the Suffering, written by Adam R. Holes. "Daddy, my head hurts. Daddy, I'm so cold. Daddy, can you rub my feet?" A high fever, chills, and body aches recently descended cruelly upon my teenage daughter. She wanted me to make it better, but mostly she just wanted me near. Eventually, we took her to urgent care. Virus, we were told. Nothing to do but ride it out. I sat with my sick girl for hours that day, rubbing her feet, getting her medicine, desperately wanting her to feel better. Occasionally, my selfish side complained, "This is hard." Indeed, it is hard to sit with people suffering, to witness their hurt up close. Job's friends saw his suffering up close too. These 3 guys are often fairly criticized for their later poor treatment of Job, but it's easy to forget that initially they simply sat with him. Job 2:13 says, "They sat on the ground with him for 7 days and 7 nights. No one said a word to him, because they saw how great his suffering was." Job's friends remind us that when someone we love is hurting, it's our presence, our being there, whether we speak or not, that often matters most. Their example reminds us that even though we may not always know what to say, simply sitting with someone in their suffering may be the greatest gift we can give. Let's pray. Dear God, when those we love are hurting, give us the grace to simply be present with them, reflecting your comfort through our quiet care. Teach us to love as you do, with patience, gentleness, and a listening heart. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. Who do you know who's suffering? How might you be present to them?
Al-sukumuka korakmal meringal raberdedela ringal aklaad elakbolor rawarngum aklaad ra utum amralo parada ringalel adbora Biblia ra Job chapter 14 ra first verse ekmurmo aad alo liardil akadebak langar ringira utum yaklangar ringira utum amura aliseksikt maringal aklaad ra utum aklaad ra ringal Wamadu di maroy daringal aringal mer elang ar urak lugu. Omringal elang yaklugu keng mot miarngum emo ur. Al tokoram amerikel no pain no gain. Mot miarngum raringal merak lugu.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Job vacancy announcement. The Office of Palau Visitors Authority is seeking qualified individuals to fill the following full-time positions: Airport Representative, part-time. If interested, kindly pick up the application form and job description at the Palau Visitors Authority office in Matalayi, Koror. Applications are to be filled out and submitted to the attention of Mr. Gadoy Rulode, Managing Director, before 4 p.m. on March 27, 2026. For more details, you may contact Palau Visitors Authority at 488-2793 or 1930. Tiasudro Tobringe Obis ra Palau Visitors Authority lo sigrar adal Maurior. At the Alraurior amo airport representative part-time. Adal sual Maurior taraigal namadung posisyon asabel mayngu application makomagay lumso de legal te Alraurior Obis ra Palau Visitors Authority el ngaramadalayir orior. Adal sa Mariel Moregal Urior a the filler application form e olutil mo office ra Palau Visitors Authority e more attention ra Managing Director Mr. Gadoy Rulod rawera 4 p.m. ra March 27, 2026. Al ngaringagel gili legal ti al Urior e mamadong ra office ra Palau Visitors Authority el 488-2793 malubeng 488-1930.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply to each 175 horsepower outboard engine for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after March 20th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by CIP account number NTWNCIP Admin 2025. Invitation for bid number IFB 14-26. Public notice March 5th, 2026 through March 20th, 2026. Bidding period will be from March 21st, 2026 through April 21st, 2026. Opening date is April 22nd, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 21st, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. To food lovers out there, this one's for you. Come and experience different flavors every night at the Coconut Terrace at Palau Pacific Resort. From tonight, March 12th to the 22nd, Coconut Terrace at Palau Pacific Resort is serving up spectacular themed dinner buffets you won't want to miss. Come and dine with an extensive spread of mouth-watering dishes while enjoying our breathtaking ocean views. Please call 488-2600, extension 494 or 419 to confirm your seats, and walk-ins are welcome too. Buffet prices are inclusive of 10% service charge and 10% PGST. $47 per adult, $23.50 for children 7 through 12 years old, and 6 years and old and below are free of charge. We will have a French theme on March 12th and 19th, Palauan theme March 13th and 20th, American March 14th and 21st, Japanese March 15th and 22nd, Italian March 16th, Asian March 17th, and delicious barbecue on March 18th. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply one each crane truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after March 25th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by the Republic of China Grant Project Package BNSG 25 CIP4. Invitation for bid number IFB 15-26. Public notice is March 10th, 2026 through March 25th, 2026. Bidding period is March 26, 2026 through April 27, 2026. Opening date is April 28, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 27, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Subdra Odalla. Tia subdra الطبدر يا أدل بايرة مي رسيون ماي أدل بايرة طبلان تيانتون غير ليلد يا أدرا المدو إسماعيل أقوان أو رويستان بغرو رمران سكارونو إبرول أو دارا إكسان روديم أغروضا إبيرا مي رورو أروران إبيرا طبلان فريستان غير ليلد ذيل موي واي ليلي سيمين أقوان ما إبيرا المدو جوزيفين كينجيو الكمون الجيل الترقيد ذيل موي واي ليلي سيمين أقوان رتشانيس أقوان أدل باي Amnos mersera February 20, 2026 emotragakla almorngia kamal dile ra March 14, 2026 el Sabadong almorngia baram ngalak rangar along. Mangayang lagim subdra o bakra kamsong al Valentin oigang ruan mi remokot margub piligraham kamsong midas ngira alwol ebira ngari edang bangyar o melaw chun kamsong Marta Marcil machoy uwegi. Mosubdra bebiri gidra blar odoryong emim nakaingiseu. Agidri kalm subdra gal adal baras bangyol Francis Snow tamaungil mo subdra bebir gaw mim nakaingiseu. Olegim subdra ngalgel amle odal adra ngruisong lali ewatra ruat Paulinaskang mar bebir gaw mim nakaingiseu. Ngayong lagim subdra rimir heis ngilatregde odal adra yung le Johanna ngilatregde ma Francis Cableso klolad mim nakaingiseu. Agidri kalm subdra adal song Pauluswe odal adra ngruisong Rigo adalbay madir ngarqsadal Maria Ulong mim nakaingiseu. Hindi rin kaspadala adal barang atibang Ephraim gina ite, o ba adal tabe el stomo machimaru, o ba karayibo ko Lorenzo gina molaw, talalabulay gigu machimaru, machustina Tomas, may nakaing isiw. Mga laklagim subdra awang ite Matias Erbay, o adal adal o rao la Lydia Alela, mo subdra bebe rigide may nakaing isiw. Ilang lang Mitzner Besebs, Jefferson Guroda, Juliet Guroda, Lablin April Maswingli Akwan may nakaing isiw. Diri kaspadala ngal gayobey ngira yobey bayeluy ngira tregda ebira lei mariar ur madil rok Faustina ur maruk mosubdra bebir kami min draing seu angri lagim subdra ibdura tablaw alfiano tur marudar edit el belaw ma elin gumangay mosubdra ngal gemin draing seu diri kaspadala ru liu Rosita orak mar bebir gaw ngas pasubde min draing seu Agidiri kalmsubra kaul ebil inabo maodam ray adrabut tulbay ling inabo may nakaingiseu. Ngabe agimsubra ibdur alay Robert Tuti ma ebir alay Maria Ruur Albina Timarong Mabasilya Herman mosubra ibir gine may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kalmsubra ngalgel amni adalbar at tablang alginang apoy rasiska ko siba mosubra ibir kaul may nakaingiseu. Ngarba agimsubra obakarbaw marhens madrangar yaad kaw may hilari ubaday urtik ulang skang imadop Fleming Burrow Chesi Alfonso Mabigi Alfonso mosubra bibirgid may nakaingiseu. Awalagim subra nginam kati elbul sadang Senator Garay Mariur Odalbi Liblay Nginaulaw Denisha Mariur ma Dr. Silvia Osar mosubra bibirgid may nakaingiseu. Diri kaspadala ngalgilam ni Odalbi Waisang atro Ralio Doreteo Masirwin Yamang Uchi may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kalmsubra nginamadalabay hari besebs marbibiringi may nakaingiseu. Ngararada gimsubra madrang bukot tamin mang South Junior madrang smos makariwatsi mosubra bibirigi may nakaingiseu. Diri kalspadala ebilyang elyangala maurin guroda Andrew may mengal malsol. Agidiri kalmsubra at koel dolay subris mosubra bibirgaw may nakaingiseu. Ngiwala gimsubra awang Rios Eliot Uduy mawadal at modestang inasway may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kalmsubra titay Peggy Toway Hanser may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kalmsubra Patrick Tabalwal mosubra ngalgela iwet may nakaingiseu. Malakayo kagim sudra sa Arulyong Teodoro Ngulbay, Imrur Ignacio Ngulbay, Mahuana Ngulbay, mosudra ngalge may nakaingiseu. Yagidiri kam sudra ngalge lamling raingas Macreos ra odal adra kabaw ilong Macreos, Chief Justice Oldiais Nginaygalaw, Deborah Sebalt, Ngatibo Luel Macreos maukong dakamura, mosudra ngalman ata de may nakaingiseu. Yasara kim sudra buk Emir Maruy, Madira Imengala Herminar Maruy Nginutungol, Ma Elizabeth Osega, mosudra bibirigi de may nakaingiseu. Aira gim subra singego baday Simeon, marangalgem ra Charlie Simeon mamargo uwegi, modang sang ramsing madirat tublay debin mangsaw mosubra ngalgem indakaingiseu. Tu Ormel running ina Aryang, Elison Ellis, nangisa may Norman, Mary Basebs Alisa Akwon, Elizabeth Igartang, Fred Igartang, mosubra bibir kamiu. Odaladra ibay dil may saiske, marangalgel ra eo Leo saiske, marangalgel amle odara eksang rudim atitim ra Jeffrey titimla, mosubra bibir ngaw. Gidiri kam sudra chini nakamurat tariyong mosudra bibirgaw may nakaingiseu. Ngartmagim sudra tamadat Mariang maru ulil ra Andres ma Fermin arunang Mike Taway Elwais pakataw limay pakataw marangalgel aklaw lubak matagiwat Taway mosudra bibirgin may nakaingiseu. Anamlungway gim sudra ay adan matengal arboy low ginimir basyo Kyota mardialul anons Kyota mosudra bibirgin may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra Marcela April. Ibabang agim subra Gloria Amasyo almangalgel. At pang agim subra kawal siles ngiraramyang maodam ra Marcela Rulu may nakaingiseu. Gidiri kam subra sa awas nginakasol Maydasil, Paal Salvador, Malilian Marcil, mosubra bibirgi de may nakaingiseu. Oryoreng spadalar ngalgel Rose Kabogol, dinamangyaw Yoko Kabogol, Benedicta Kabogol ng hotel, marabibir kami may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra sa pasungol masaw bedor, mosubra bibirgi de may nakaingiseu. Gidiri kam subra ngalgel amlertik kiarira rangel dolotao makaramyus ngiraingas may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra ebilt kadasaw Marian Ramaroy mosubra bibirgi de may nakaingiseu. Agi ortur orgal dira karorno nalawi malmea ngalgem radio balui malangasumam. Agidiri kam ortur orgal dilo dilang edwina katosang elmea ngalgem rasyaf katosang magim kaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra ngalgel alomisang ngirailil da mau erbu chan ngirailil da kotep Thomas ngirailil da belyang ngirailil da marangalgel Modesto Petrus Ramax Mamil Petrus. Agidiri kam subra kawal mlei Barbara Paulinus Clement Paulinus mosubra bibirgi de may nakaingiseu. Gidiri kam subra ngalgel Yasiro ngirailil da magim subra bani ngirailil da Edwinat Kel ngalgel akadwina Asmaw Rachino Malien Smaw. Agi ortur radari ra Yunis Mau malamay tirgalo ating gimkaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra kawal Fred Mori may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra kawal Miriam Rudim Chin mosubra ngalge may nakaingiseu. Ngalgel amli adalbara tablang Yosinawa ubaday ra Carson ubaday Ralph ubaday Marosela Masami mosubra ngalge may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam subra Luisa April ngirakasaw dilngo sa Shirley Ellis Cindy Choan Mista odal adra iksang Cindy Salvador maged Rial Anguro Usman del Mangirailil Madirario Kalistaya Manguchi mosubra bibirigi de may nakaingiseu. Pelilio agim sudra baklor Peter Napoleon dil pak kego nakamurabedor maong etiu Margar Ichiro mosudra bibirigi de may nakaingiseu. Agidiri kam sudra Dwaylin ngirailil de iner may nakaingiseu. Abasyo ramasang habanam ngalakla Asil sa March 14, 2026 el Sabado. Ito dramo ra 7:30 AM memoraba na mga lakla rangar along. O malmasulang niya Dios lo magkaltangat rigidrogui. Sahay na resyong may adalbay ray may. Tia subdra kodal lo todo niya adalbay ray may resyong may. Ang inamadalabay hari besebs o daw ray bay harington lebu. Yadra epsang Steven Ganay matakriw Salvador Remoto. Alam sublik mo targidra Chianis ako na adalbay. Am lokodong almarawlungul sa Friday, February 20, 2026. Mapatangin lang mga namor ka iasil sa Rakamaldi lam lamotorokla. El morngina sabadong el March 14, 2026. El di morngina ba naman lang. Maumra la to dramor ra 7:30 AM ra 2 tower sel sil sen marabay mga lang. Emang maldil motalial sil se muragid. Mang ayang alagim sudro abak rusong terwachokay. Maesibira kadong edwin chokay. Maodalat harumi inawo. Mosubra bibir kami may indakaing sew. Agidiri kam subra ngalgil lang at yung alkambalang ra odaw ra ibay harington o lebu. Madir nga tangol Florence o bakarairur. Magas pasubro ade may indakaing sew. Hindi na katspada lang ngalgil ang ginagit pandari. Rang ginagitaw ang ginagit. Mosubra bibir kaw may indakaing sew. Ngarulong roolay. Iagim subra atet singits. Sa tawar yung ubaday Valentino Clolaat. Iat kaw may Hilary ubaday. Speaker Abraham Osima, Saigi Siro, Alexis Quinto, and Mary Siro, Kapsul Garelad, may Edith Elbalaw, may mosubdrar ada de may nakaingisew. Agidiri kan mosubdrar Troy Harper's Kang, mosubdrar bibir kaw may nakaingisew. Yang along ay mosubdrar ibidura barrak al Florencio Yamada, may ibira barrak al Bares Rangil, mosubdrar ada marabarrak ay may nakaingisew. Agidiri kan mosubdrar ngalgilang ang debu raya adra song, del film ng debu, matchulya ng debu, mosubdrar bibir kami may nakaingisew. Nagidiri ngam subra ngal gilabo iktil do ra inarya temong mosubrar bebir kaw min nakaingisew. Diri kal spadalo bagarbaw marhens madrangar martik ulang skang mosubrar atan marangal min nakaingisew. O sisiul su damrar ngal gilat atelel ra yaadra ngase miner takriw martulu Sofia Urtirakla ngas pasubde min nakaingisew. Diri kal spadalo ngal gilang sa among o mga bar ra floor leader Dwight ngiramat marbebiringi. Marangal gila wong Anastasio, rara sing Ignacio Anastasio, maromana Anastasio, ngas pasubdolo ade may nakaingisew. O si siulso da marangal gila mle ebira leir murang Chloe, ra Basilias Kiwo, ma Francisca Kiwo, mosubdra adad marangal gila may nakaingisew. Hindi na kaspada lang ila Royce Francis Kip, ma ebira Royce and mihay na kodep, makatata Marcel, marangal gila sinsak kibra daligat Timothy sinsak, ma Juliana uli sinsak igeda, magas pasubda may nakaingisew. Agitirin ang sudra madra ibalaw surang alwip sa senior, may adra club del Mitsuo Sungyama, mo sudra adra tel bul. Agitirin ang sudra wadal adra ibay dil may sa iski, marabibinakaw, marangal kembe nakaingisew. Ablur ng rarat maol, iagim sudra ang inamkati el bul satang, maodal biliblay mauroys, mo sudra adra marangal ramakti may nakaingisew. Agitirin ang sudra ang inatangadik Wilbert nginakamrang, maribil, ratangadik el polinda idip, mo sudra adra may nakaingisew. Nagidiri ang sudra kriget raidis el choraklay, mo sudra adad raidis e may nakaingisew. Hindi na katspada lang ina Esebres, Brownie Salvador, mamkas pasuda e may nakaingisew. O sisiulsuda mo na ribil raptululaang al miyorang ito, mo sudra adad marangal raptululaang e may nakaingisew. Hindi na katspada lang ngalginam ni Odara Ibay el Beseb sa Osar, rangin na madalabay Hari Beseb sa Mabinar Dita, Chanson, Marut Kabasul, ulit mo sudra bebir kumiw e may nakaingisew. O si siulso da marang algela may osar ar adalbay ray may resyong may maibir ray may irorwa may arurang mungas psuda marbebin kaw e may nakaingisew. Agidiri kalm subdi ol tuar kaw e birat tablang ferista baseps malmer ngalgel amleya adra apsang al otoy chibseps rameri mageta mamitsener mga sumam. Ablura alaba agidiri kalm subda ngira Roy Francis Kip maibir Royce mihanat Marcel Godep mo subda atadra Royce may madu e may nakaingisew. Ang idiri kalm subra esbira katong Edwin Chokay, maebir rakatong Lucia France, mo subra adat rakatong may nakaingisew. Ngat magim subra ang inakabay Joshua kumangay, mamasaya kumangay, rablarang rakabay, mo subra adat may nakaingisew. Anam lungway kim subra kal witness ilbalaw, may hindali may nakaingisew. Ay maliga kim subra ang algila deol, mang spadala ang algila ilong, ang marang algila hamdret senior, at Jerome senior marbebiringi. Yarang algilar aseng alagim subra ang ikiyuhul bakataut, yarang algila kabora agim subra malayong Anastasio, mahadalin madalarak, yarang algila adir kadil, ngira alsaw, agim subra rakodol la senardo ngira alsaw, masubra bibirkaw imim nakaingisew. Ngiasar agim subra at pos mulwat talay, maibil at pos Vicenta Kalu, ma Miss Antonio Bells, madil Miss Susana Matsuoka, Mosubra adal rangar madalyang emim kaing seu. Ablur oriora kim subra adal baratang alensid madal bayrarik laglensid mosubra adal emim alim kaing seu tel albula. Agidire kam subra dil oligong gegi udui mosubra adal emim kaing seu. Meun sa kim subra gaul nginatao nikngwal mosubra bibir gaul emim kaing seu. Agidire kam subra gaul spesongon masaw vedor odrai Bernie Kilderman sa mainita Edward et Pisong mosubra bibir kami emim kaing seu. Yablilyo agim sudra ngirablei isak sakuray ngirasakos cherom sakuray Anselma ngirmeri lamachinar kamsig no subra adad marangal gemim nakaing iseu elang ngar adamam lo dingal dong clear tel subda gyolngit mlabol makita ng miyo meim dalim edakaing iseu tel mamulbong rangal targidra Chinese akwan adalbay almlokodong almrawlungul sa February 2026 Mapatingin lang ramor game lamot rokok kelmoto dra sabadong March 14, 2026 7:30 AM meldim malt murabay mga lang mga meldil motilial sil sem uragid kopmal masulang sign at takriw Salvador Ramoto Tokobet sa subra tulungal karisong ra umrang raungil blue ra Malgayok State malungil sil sen murawul adan nga tulungal karisong agi umrang at mobile tigring rakleng seu maongit el murar tok la dadar tel brother belaw Akmal mongo sugid tel malobrado el sungud el girel gal targid ra Chinese akuna del bay el ngalgelam lengira urega da Tobias akwan el lamodon ra rubak el dios el murgamang lungul balway set yakmal tobet el sud el tobdeng Valentino ngiriklang teruot chogay Felix ngiraingas Katin Balailes Edwin Chogay Ismail akwan dabdebo klulubak Chani Tudong Jerome Tamngil Anchelinorium da Swingli akwan Jimmy Balailes Mark Ramlig, Talal Balailes, Stalin Bay, Ray Ongino, Hoyt Balailes, Matjunior Mala at Tamangil, El Morkamyo Armaas Barangalgel at Tulungal Gararisong Rakablir Umrang, Ekmalolngit Tanges Surkamul Girel at Targid, Rachanis Akwan Adalbay, Emlamokodong Rarubak Kalyos El Morakamang Lulungul. Tiadrigal Maltobet Silsub del Moratrungal Garatmur Rakablir Umrang, Ramal Gayo, Ekmalolngit Tanges Surkamul Girel Tel El Bul. Tiyak maltobet sa maratrungal kararisong el morangir ongor isak soladab ruigang kionisal me ebir abong choy sali agik malulngit tanges sumosudra adad rakablir umrang el mengosumam rakamaldinel ngal targid rachanis akwan adalbay el mlamokodong narubak kal dios el morakamang lulungul tel kamaldi lamorangir March 14, 2026 saruday el motodra funeral home rang at kibraira 7:30 AM Emorang ngil belu rangar along state el material seals emomadak lomangila damal ramlengi raureg da Tobias akwan komal masulang saen Valentino ngiriklang Ismail akwan teruot chokay Katin Balailes ma Felix Grengas o si sulsudra kodal lo tobdringan sengal Ignacio Anastasio Wilhelm Ramota Trevor Michael Mutok Martelo Sofia Skilang at mongolegela Tobias akwan Archanis en akwan Amlos mera February 26, 2026 yang ramor emlamotrok lang amaldil en morngina sabadong March 14, 2026. Abang ilang galdi la motob dramor 7:30 AM ratutaw el morabana mga lang emang maldil motlial sil se morolgul. Bagim subdra rogul adam marangal kanang rdimaw el ngarabek kalbelo meim da alim da kangisew ertial mamungulbong el sungul ngalngalege dra Chinese en akwan at tukobet sa subda mo na ibudura barak Florencio Yamada marbibir kamiw adal baratang marbibir kamiw PS Paulus ong alibang maibir otong Juliana ong alibang marbibir kamiw ngidasu rekordyo ng idamang marbibir kamiw rangaligila sa ito baudong marangaligila Sofia Skilang madakong malmasulang ya Dios lolmol lo makaltang at rigidrokuy sa na Wilhelm Remoto
tial subdel mulla rengstrengi Adiagal Spedel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub, Engul de Suela Dias Broadcasting Company, Tiangas Pedirar Adlul Topdengi, Eharaorngi, Kohmal Mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by DS Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatte memel mun mera radio station. Mada gulngit ma may mga sugaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw. Eo aisen muk mungomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang. Etelat times ratal si se sayan ringi. Esen ringil either moya ka fax mora 4884420. Malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recordringi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau ya uriul ega meharau. Ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba ngania harma raspedem ya ki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
President Trump calls it a terrible thing. On Lisa Brady, Fox News, after a synagogue was attacked in Michigan.
I want to send our love to the Michigan Jewish community and all of the people in Detroit area.
The president speaking a short time ago, an armed man ramming a car into Temple, Israel in West Bloomfield Township, where security guards fired as he drove down a hall, hitting and injuring one of them, the vehicle catching on fire. The suspect is dead. Law enforcement sources just telling Fox the vehicle used in the attack was registered to a naturalized citizen from Lebanon who lives in Dearborn. A deadly shooting hours earlier at Old Dominion University in Virginia is now being investigated as an act of terrorism. One person was killed, 2 others wounded, including members of the ROTC on campus. The gunman, who is dead, was a former Army National Guard member, originally from Sierra Leone, who had served time in prison for attempting to provide material support to ISIS. The FBI says he was subdued by students. No official word yet on how he died. Israel launching a new wave of airstrikes on Tehran, hours after Iranian state media released a statement said to be from the new supreme leader.
Iran's, notably those comments were not on camera. It was a written statement that was read, which continues to fuel speculation about his health.
Fox's Nate Foy, Moshtaba Khamenei says Iran will keep targeting U.S. bases in the region and control the Strait of Hormuz.
Iran's security chief has a message for President Trump. He posted on X saying that starting wars is easy, but they don't end with just a few tweets. He promised to make the U.S. pay a price for Operation Epic Fury.
President Trump says Iran is paying a price for terror and hate.
Our military is unsurpassed. There's never been anything like it. Nobody's ever seen anything like it.
Adding they're doing what has to be done. America is listening to Fox News. A Titanic-themed statue of President Trump and Jeffrey Epstein is installed on the National Mall in the nation's capital.
There's a famous scene in the movie Titanic where Rose is standing at the bow of the ship with her arms out, held by Jack. The statue on the National Mall is President Trump holding Jeffrey Epstein. It's 12 feet tall, painted gold, called King of the World, from a line in the movie. It's the third Trump-Epstein statue installed on the mall since September, believed to be from a group of anonymous artists called The Secret Handshake that uses a go-between to get the permits. A White House spokesperson responds, when will these wealthy Democrat donors create sculptures of Democrats who continue to solicit money in meetings from Epstein after he was convicted as a sex offender? Chris Foster, Fox News.
Almost spring becomes a sudden reminder that it is still winter in the eastern U.S. with a more than 30-degree plunge in temperatures in less than 24 hours from the 70s in D.C. and into New England yesterday to snow falling in the region this afternoon. An upset on the road to March Madness for a college basketball team that had been undefeated.
The Miami of Ohio Redhawks made history this season, becoming just the fifth men's Division I program this century to go undefeated in the regular season. 31-0, including an 18-0 record in the Mid-American Conference. But when it came time for the first round of the conference tournament Thursday, the Redhawks fell short. The UMass Minutemen, the 8th seed in the tournament, with a shocking upset of Miami, 87-83 the final, to bring the Redhawks record to 31-1. The loss means the Redhawks will miss out on a chance to win the MAC championship, which would have given them an automatic bid to the NCAA tournament. But they will now hope for an at-large bid to March Madness.
Fox's Tony Genualdo. A big drop on Wall Street. The Dow down 739 points, falling under 47K. The S&P lost 103. The NASDAQ down 404 as oil prices soared again. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.